Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be making a mead with y'all. I'm going to be showing y'all the entire process, what's it like from start to finish, so you guys can get an idea on how to make one yourself. So let's do this. So to start with, we've got a 2 liter jar here. We've got some sugar water, we've got some honey, we've got some kiwis, and we've got our yeast here. So I'm going to be starting with the mashed kiwis here. You can see I've put some water in here and I've mashed them up together. So we've got this empty jar here. We're going to be adding our yeast in it with some water, and then we'll give it a good stir and let it be for 2 minutes so we can just activate the yeast. So you can see I'm going to be adding about 1 tablespoon of yeast. That should be more than enough ideally. We're going to shake it up a little bit. So you can just, activate the yeast, and then we'll let it sit for a few seconds. Once you see the water's nice and brown, it's well stirred, and we can let it sit. I'm going to be adding the honey here. So typically a mead is made with honey and water, but you can also add some sugar because sugar is basically what's converted into alcohol by the yeast. So I've got some honey here for the flavor mainly, and I've got some sugar water because I want a little, well, stronger alcohol. So, you can just fill it up till you leave about 2-3 centimeters of headroom. We're going to be adding our yeast now. So we're going to give it a good stir now. So actually, I'm stirring quite slowly because, well, I don't want to create a mess. It had this greenish tint earlier, now it's become kind of brown. So you can use any fruit you want. I've actually used kiwi because, well, I love that fruit. You can even make it without any fruit if you want. Just honey and water works. You can see it's really changed color now, and I think it's almost done stirring. So I've actually managed to stir this without creating a mess. I actually quite like its color though. It's got a nice greenish brown tint to it. Kind of reminds me about Monster energy drink, I guess. So I've got some plastic wrap here. Now we just need to cover up the mead. We're just going to seal it up real nice now. You put an airlock on top to ensure that carbon dioxide can't escape. But since we don't have an airlock, we're going to be poking some holes in this plastic wrap. So we poked 3 holes. It's just enough to ensure that carbon dioxide can escape. So yeah, we've got a kiwi mead here. It's ready. Now we just got to let it sit for 2 weeks, and then we can age it, and then we can bottle it up. So I hope the video was helpful for you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.